right, and you're joining us on markets now. Let's go straight into the management of Sterlite Technologies. We've got Mr. Anand Agarwal now joining us. Mr. Agarwal, many thanks for joining us on the show. For a start, sir, if you can just give us your headline numbers this quarter around, both on your profits as well as your sales.
Yeah, our net profit for the quarter is about 54.5 crores. Vis-a-vis about 45 crores that we had for the previous quarter, that is Q1 of the current year. And our revenues are at 465 crores vis-a-vis 437 crores against Q1 of the current year. So we've had a good growth both in the top line and bottom line versus Q1 of the current year. And we have had a tremendous growth in the bottom line versus Q2 of last year. For instance, Q2 of last year we had a net profit of just 6 crores. Against that we have a net profit of 55 crores in the current quarter.
Okay, right. So Q2 of last year was obviously quite depressed. That's on a year-on-year basis. Mr. Agarwal, take us through the key drivers, both in terms of your top line and bottom line performance. What has helped you maintain this kind of uptick?
The biggest driver has been the fact that there is a great transition for us from the copper cables business to an optical fiber business. While that is affecting our revenues, in terms of revenues that is showing a degrowth, it is giving us a good margin uptake. And we believe this is going to continue for some time. In the market also, there is a lot of transition happening from towards optical fiber cables. So the optical fiber market is strong. At the same time, on the power side, the power transmission and the power conductor market continues to be strong. And that the combined both these reasons is providing us good visibility, decent margins, and a good margin growth quarter on quarter.
Right. And Mr. Agarwal, do you see the overall operational environment improving? And also, what is your current order book looking like?
The overall operational, we definitely see that things are better right now than it were 2 or 3 quarters ago. While for us in the infrastructure segment in both power and telecom, we did not see projects getting shelved or anything. There was some liquidity pressures which have gotten eased quite a bit in the current quarter, and we are seeing a lot of new projects coming up as we go along. Our current order book is about almost 1,750 crores in the current at the end of the current quarter, and that has been growing every single quarter.
Okay, Mr. Agarwal, 1,750 crores in terms of an order book for the end of the current quarter. Many thanks for joining us on ET Now. So you heard the management first of Sterlite Technologies. That's it on this leg of the show. We'll of course keep tracking more markets, more results and news right here on ET Now. But from George and myself, thanks for tuning in.